Welcome to Dev Excellency classes. Now I am going to explain aggregates related to national income. As you know, national income is the sum of money value of final goods and services produced by normal resident of a country within and outside the country during an accounting year. This I already taught you in my previous videos. The main aggregates are gross national product, net national product, gross domestic product, net domestic product. These aggregates may be at market price at factor cost. Do you know what is market price and factor cost? Market price is the price paid by the buyer of a commodity in the market. And on the other hand, factor cost is the cost paid by the producer to the factors of production for their contribution in the production of the commodity. The difference between market price and factor price for cost arises due to indirect taxes and subsidies. For example, I am giving an example that suppose the price of a small bag is rupees 6, and in this case national income at market price is rupees 6. But let us suppose that the sales tax, that is indirect tax, on this bag is rupees 2, which is included in the price of the bag. Then the national income at factor cost would be 4, because the factors of production which have contributed to the production of the bag would get only rupees 4, and the balance of rupees 2 would go to government as tax. It should be kept in mind that product aggregate and income aggregates are used interchangeably because production is generation of income. Before studying these aggregates, let us understand how these all are interchange. See this my next chart. This is an unique device or chart to deal with the concept related with national income aggregate more efficiently. Without taking much time, I am going to explain this chart. In every concept, in every aggregate, there are 4 letters. In this chart, I am giving an example of GNP-MP. See, G is the first letter, N is the second letter, P is the third letter, and MP is the fourth letter. Clear? In first letter, the concept is related with gross and net. If gross is given and net is required, we have to deduct depreciation. If net is given and gross is required, then we have to add depreciation. In second letter, the concept, the relation between two is national and domestic. If national is given, domestic is required, then we have to deduct NFYA. Again, if domestic is given, national is required, then we have to add NFYA. Third letter, that is product, is same in all. Therefore, no change is required. What about fourth letter, that is market price? If MP is given and FC is required, then we have to minus NIT. If FC is given, MP is required, then we have to add NIT. Clear? How we can solve numericals based on these type of concepts? Explore my next video. Thank you.